In this video, I am going to talk about cumulative frequency distribution. Sometimes in a statistical investigation, it is required to know the number of observed values smaller than or greater than a particular value, which may or may not coincide with a sample value of the table. The cumulative frequency corresponding to a specific value is defined to be the number of observed values smaller or greater than that particular value. The cumulative frequency up to a certain value is called less than type cumulative frequency, whereas the cumulative frequency above a certain value is called greater than type cumulative frequency. Let us consider an example. The following table gives the frequency distribution of marks obtained by 60 students of class 9 in a mathematics achievement test. We can write the class interval as the class limit after constructing a table. Now see that class limits are not continuous. So to make it continuous, we can write their corresponding class boundaries. After that, we write the given frequencies. Here the class limits are arranged in ascending order. To find cumulative frequency of less than type, we can write the first frequency, that is 6, in the first row of the fourth column, then add to the next frequency 10 with 6 and write in the second row of the fourth column. In the similar way, we can write the following. Again, to find the cumulative frequency of greater than type, we start it with the last row as the class limits are arranged in ascending order. Now we write 1 in the last row of the fifth column, then add 2 with 1 and get 3, then add 3 with 4 and get 7. In a similar way, we get the following. Hope you understand the concept of finding cumulative frequency. Now it's a challenge for you. So solve it now.